Show the YouTube kid what you do. Where's Janet? Hi, Janet. What are you doing? The YouTube kid said, wow, that was awesome. Good job.
I'm gonna go deeper.
You gonna go deeper? Do it one more time. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. Janet, can you do it? Why? You don't want water in your hair? Okay, well, I guess you started learning that early. You guys are swimming in the ocean. This is scary.
Jenny, if you want to swim and practice, then you gotta do it. See? I don't want water.
She said she don't want water in her hair. Why don't you want water in your hair, Janet? Why don't you want water in your hair? Because you don't want to? Yeah, you learned that early. What are you guys doing? Jenna, is that your stuff? Where are you taking that stuff in?
What?
Yeah.
I want to go deep into the ocean and get me a fish.
You want to go what?
I want you to go deep into the ocean and get me a fish.
Why you want to go deep into the ocean and get you a fish? Where is Janet going?
Please, Daddy.
We gotta go fishing if you want to catch fish. We gotta go tomorrow. She's coming back. She's coming back, Adrian.
You know what we might get? Maybe we get some guys some water. You know? Oh man, I ain't gonna be able to get them right now.
What's she doing? Jenna, what are you doing? Why are you taking out water? All right, you guys ready to go swimming again? You ready to go swimming? Yeah? Come on, let's go swimming because we're getting ready to leave. You ready to go home? What you mean? What you building? Come on, let's go swim. Jenna, you ready to go home, Mama? You like this place? Why do you like this place? Why are you playing with people's toys? Jenna. Hey guys, where are we today? It's a beautiful place. Hey, who's here? Look who we have here, guys. Hey, what's your name, boy? Why are you looking like that? Oh, you froze? Jenna Digmitz. Say something to your YouTube viewers. What do you want to say to your friends? Yeah? Where are you going? You see, that stuff was a little kid. Now you stuck. Yep. Let's see how you gonna get out.
I can't get out.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get out. Come on, get yourself out. Let's see. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You the smartest kid in the whole wide world. Let's see.
Daddy,
You the smartest boy in the
Daddy,
whole.
help me.
No, right. Slide the thing open.
How?
Slide down through it. Come down. Pull one hand through it. Yep. Go down. Go down. Try it. Pull your foot right here and pull yourself up. Come on. That's why it's not good to ride little kids ride. See, now you're stuck.
Daddy,
Yes.
help me.
Are you serious? You can't come down. Why you gonna get on a little kid's ride?
Help me.
See Janice out there. All right. All right. Hold my neck. Oh, good job. You see? Now you doing it. Now you doing. now you gonna be skeptical to get on a little kid's ride again. Good job, boy. Hey, YouTube kids, Idris got himself out of there. Whoa, that is so cool. Jana Dickness, where you at? Where are you going? What we doing here? What are we doing, Mama? Whoa. Are we playing hide and seek?
Daddy.
Yeah.
You count and we will hide.
All right. Let's go ahead and play hide and seek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.